In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Paperform. This is an essential guide if you're planning to streamline your payment process and make transactions smoother for your business. Let's dive right in and see how we can get this done effectively. First, you need to log into Paperform. Simply navigate to paperform.co using your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see an option to sign into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding with the next steps. Now, once you're logged in, you'll be faced with a choice. You can either select an existing form or create a brand new one where you'll be collecting payments. Using an existing form, just click on it to open. If you prefer to start fresh, click on Create a Form and build it according to your needs. With your form ready, the next step is to go to the payment settings. To do this, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a Configure icon. Click on it, and a sidebar on the right will appear with various options. What you'll want to do is locate the section labeled Payments. Clicking here will lead you to the necessary settings for connecting PayPal. At this point, it's time to connect your PayPal account. Under Payment Accounts, you'll see an option to connect a payment account. Clicking on this will open a list of potential payment processors. Here, you need to select PayPal Business. It's important to note that you'll need a PayPal business account to proceed, so make sure you have one set up. If not, it's quick and easy to register for one on PayPal's official site. Once you've selected PayPal Business, a login window will pop up, prompting you to enter your PayPal credentials. After entering your details, the system will ask you to authorize Paperform to integrate with your PayPal account. This authorization step is crucial as it establishes a secure connection for processing payments. After authorizing, you'll finalize the integration and see confirmation that your PayPal account is now connected to Paperform. This setup allows payments to be processed seamlessly, providing a smooth experience for you and your customers. And there you have it. You've successfully connected PayPal to your Paperform. This connection should greatly enhance your payment management, making it easier for you to collect payments directly through your forms. Remember, being equipped with the right tools is key to efficient business management. Thank you for watching, and happy form making.